A very good day, South Africa, and welcome to the Weather Center. We're expecting light rain for the southwest regions of the country, but that's for later during the course of the day. It's going to be partly cloudy with thunderstorm activity for much of Gauteng, parts of the northwest, including the majority of Mpumalanga and Limpopo. We're expecting rain showers for much of KwaZulu-Natal, as well as for the northern parts of the Eastern Cape. It's going to be hot and dry for much of the central interior, as well as for the Northern Cape. Now, here's a metro vision for Johannesburg for today. Up to a 40% chance of thunderstorms are forecast over the city of Gold. We're expecting a high of 29 degrees. Then for the rest of South Africa, we're expecting up to a 40% chance of rain for much of the Eastern Cape, KwaZulu-Natal, including Mpumalanga. We're expecting isolated thunderstorms for the majority of Limpopo. It's going to be fine and dry for much of the central interior. I'm expecting up to a 20% chance of rain near the mother city. It's going to be a hot afternoon for Pretoria as well as for Mbombela, both peaking in the lower 30s. Lower 30s are also forecast in the vicinity of Pietermaritzburg and Richards Bay. We're expecting a high of 29 degrees near Durban. It's going to be warm for much of the Eastern Cape, very hot over the central interior, where we're expecting highs to peak in the mid-30s near Kimberley. Now, the South African Weather Service has issued a warning for high fire danger, and that's for the eastern parts of the Northern Cape, where runaway fires are possible. So please do not throw away cigarette butts carelessly. Now, along the west coast, we're expecting a good beach day between Alexandra Bay and Langaban, where we're expecting moderate wind speeds between 20 and 25 kilometers per hour. We're expecting open ocean swells of up to 2 meters. Along the southwest, we're expecting moderate beach conditions due to fresh winds between Hermanus and Cape Agulhas. The light rain will ensure moderate beach conditions near the Cape Atlantic seaboard, and we're expecting swell heights of up to 2.5 meters. For the south, we're expecting a good beach day between Port Elizabeth as well as for Mossel Bay. We're expecting swell heights to reach up to 2.5 meters with waves varying between 3 and 4 feet near the coast. Then lastly, for the eastern parts of South Africa, we're expecting a moderate beach day for Richards Bay, Durban, Port St. John's, as well as for East London. We're expecting open ocean swells of up to 1.5 meters. Well, that's all for now from the Weather Center. Have a good one.